fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here to unbox some fun new accessories that I bought today from some different shops on Etsy. So I'm just going to dive in and we're going to look at them and we'll see what I got. These poly mailers can be so hard to get into sometimes. All right, so in our little box here, and what is this? This, funnily enough, is from a store called Diamondpainting Anonymous, which I thought was kind of hilarious. I actually saw the item first, and then I was like, oh, I need to get this. When I saw the item, I was like, aw, oh, so I get a little diamond cover minder here. That's very cute. Cute little packaging. So a little sticker here. Diamond Painters Anonymous, dpanon.com. I'm pretty sure DPA was taken when I looked, but anyway. So found the shop on Etsy, and I will stick a link to all of these shops down below. But it is this cute little tray, you guys, and it comes with this cute little otter on top of it. How adorable is that? It's got a little slide here for a stopper. And then you've got this here. Now, not gonna lie, having 3D printed some stuff, I'm afraid that's gonna get broken pretty easily, but it's super cute. And honestly, I don't use the lids on my trays a whole bunch, so I think this is adorable. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this one or if I'm gonna use it in a giveaway, but we'll see. Cute little tray with this cute little otter on top, although it could be an otter, it could be a cat, who knows. All right, so that's from Diamond Painters Anonymous. Clean all this out of the way so we can get to the next item. What else did I get? I always end up cutting these little poly mailers. I don't know if you're supposed to do it a different way, but I have the best luck doing it that way. Oh, and if I didn't say, the otter tray from Diamond Painters Anonymous, I paid $26.12. I think the tray itself was only $19.95, but you know, you got to pay shipping and tax and everything on top of it. So yeah, $26 for that one. This one is another tray from Bijou Bliss, and I have been wanting to try one of their trays because I've seen everybody talking about them. All right, so we've got another little heart cover minder here, another code to get some off if you buy another one. Stash the lid below your tray to keep the diamond design up. Just some interesting information on how the tray works. So let's see. I like the little daisy sticker, but sad I'm gonna have to rip it. All right, so this one has a little, oh, it's a magnetic stopper as well. And look how cute this is. You can design what colors you want. I, like usual, like to have my trays in the lighter colors if I can get them. That's just easier for my eyes to see the dark drills. If I see if it won't stick like this, the magnets are repelling each other. So you got to put it with the diamond side up, like she said in her notes. And then we've got, I really love that the stopper is magnetic. That's kind of cool. So, and I like how the magnets are already stored in it. So you really don't have to, oh, and that's pretty cool too. You just slip it underneath. I like that. All right, and what did I say? This one I paid $27.29 for. Again, shipping, I think the tray was 20 something, 22. Oh, maybe there's a receipt in here. Let me look. $21.50 for the tray, and then the rest is shipping and taxes. So that's super cool. Really like that one. Okay, so there's my two little trays and all my little goodies, my little otter tray and my, oh, I'll put this so you guys can see. I really like the colors of that. All right, and then what's the last thing I got? Guys, I'm so excited about this. I haven't bought anything in so long. I was starting to well, I bought kits. I wasn't buying trays and other things. So get this out of here. This is, as you can guess, a pin. Look at this gorgeous thing. This is from Lassen Lathe Works. And I have not ordered from them before, so super cool. But I saw this pin and I just was like, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Look how pretty it is. with the red and the gray. I actually thought this would be a really good pen to do my Jasper C with. I love the profile of it. Super cute. All right, and this one was $40.92 with shipping and everything. The pen itself was $33. And like I said, I will stick links to all of these shops down below so that you guys can check them out. But how cute are all of these? So we've got the little Otter tray, we've got the magnetic tray. I can't wait to try all of these out and see how well they work. Now for my pen, I will be switching out the plastic tips here for steel tips, so I will need to do that. I'm so excited to use some of these trays and see how they work. This one, because it's a little bit wider. Oh, and it's got this little thing here at the back too, so kind of like that whole washi tape thing that I've been seeing. I don't personally see the need for that, but if people want to use it. This one isn't made that way, is it? No, this is just like a regular tray. Can't wait to see how these are going to work out. Plus I got some cute little cover minders out of it as well, so those are always fun. So like I said, I will stick links to all of the shops down below. Just my cute little mini Etsy haul because I wanted some fun new diamond painting accessories. So have any of you tried any of these places? Some of you I'm sure have probably tried Lass and Lathe Works. And pins, I mean, are pretty universal, so as long as they're pretty, they're usually pretty functional. But I'm curious if anybody has used one of these trays. I know people have used the Bijou Bliss trays because I've seen them all over Instagram, but I don't know if anybody's actually used them. So let me know what you think. Do you like the magnets being on the stoppers and everything else? Does that make it a little easier to keep track of as well? Leave me a comment below and let me know your thoughts. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.